Alright, so today I'm going to talk about our project proposal and our network sniffer. First, going to start off with the summary. The proposed project aims to develop a simple yet effective network packet sniffer that I am coding in Python, and I will show you that later in the video. And this tool will be designed to monitor packets in real time, allowing users to inspect network activity for troubleshooting. And this is going to incorporate Python, Scapy, and some other tools that you have to download for packages for Python that I had to learn about as I'm still learning and adding on to the GUI and the Python script. Um, the packet sniffer, it aims to provide visibility into network communications by capturing transmitted data packets. Wireshark is the popular one that people use. This project addresses this gap by providing a user-friendly and effective packet sniffing tool, and a little bit easier to use than like something like Wireshark. Right here is the Gantt chart, the network sniffer. We've done a lot of research and planning. We've done development. We're kind of in the testing phase right now, but we're kind of probably more in like the week 5, week 6 area. Um, and yeah, so from here, I was gonna show you our roles of the project here. So our roles right here. We have the breakdown of each team member. Team 1 is the in control of GitHub manager and team lead. All the reporting. Number 2 is key responsibilities for packet capturing tools. This is what I'm doing. Incorporating TCP, UDP, ICMP, DNS, HTTP. Any very common ports that are secure and and we want to detect the unsecure ones for sure. And then I am also handling network interfaces and monitor different network adapters, optimize packet capture to reduce performance overhead. Other members are doing packet filtering and protocol parsing. They're going to implement CLI options for filtering packets, ports, packet links, send, SYNAC, CIA triad, OSI model type things that we're going to incorporate in this thing. It's going to have packet logging system, database implementation with SQL potentially. I'm not sure exactly how that's going to go yet because that's not my objective. And then the person on 5 is working with me using tkinter through Python that I'll show you where we got so far in a second. But we're using tkinter and as well to have a GUI through Python. It's super, super cool so far. And then we have somebody responsible for the final testing, debugging, security considerations. Is it secure? Do we need to implement more security things to have our script more secure, more efficient? And then we'll have peer reviews. But yeah, right now I'm gonna demonstrate what I've done so far. Me and the team member on 5, and right here is our code that we have started so far. We have used tkinter, which is a GUI toolkit, Scapy, which is a packet capturing tool. Yeah, we had to have Scapy for Scapy and GUI are kind of working together, and then we have the the list of safe ports right there, which is going to be like basically packets outside of this list probably are suspicious because these are more of the secure ports. And then from there, basically based off time to live and TCP and UDP flags, we're gonna label if a packet is suspicious based off of that. It's also gonna check like the IP layer, UDP, TCP, those kind of things. Time to live is going to tell us how many network hops a packet has traveled. It's going to flag the packet as suspicious, if it uses a port over 1024. Um, right here we have define update table. Um, right here, it updates the GUI with captured packet details. With that function with update table, then below we have a function that's packet callback. It's captured for each captured packet, and it basically logs the time, extracts the IP information and the TTO, the destination IP, source IP, all that kind of good stuff. Um, and then we have like all that time to sleep, just so the slows down the GUI lag. Sometimes if you don't put time to sleep, the GUI will just keep throwing information out, and it'd be too hard to kind of capture all the stuff. So it slows it down for us users to be able to read it more simpler. Let's see. And this is still we're still working on it and testing it and trying to make it more better and efficient, more secure. Um, but right here, start sniffing. Basically, we're telling it to start packet sniffing. And there's a GUI that opens up and it says start and stop. And basically from there, if it you know it calls for like if selected protocol TCP protocol filter TCP, LF UDP protocol filter UDP, and from so on. And that's kind of our if else statements that we want to implement in this project. Um, and then we have at the bottom, it's more of our initializing this kind of the GUI setup down here. Um, Kind of the drop down menu for the protocol, the binds to like click to show packet details. And then at the very end, we're gonna recall the main loop that starts the tkinter. This kind of works with tkinter, the event tkinter. So it kind of runs through the script. That was just a little quick explanation of this script that we have going on. We're still working to make the GUI better, make more enhancements, and it's kind of where we're at right now. And I'm in charge of the Python coding for the most part, and other somebody else on the team is working kind of on this section down here with the GUI. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.